Hey guys, welcome back. Today in this video I will tell you about the site where you can earn USDT very easily and for absolutely free. And this is the Faucet Pay mining website. So simply you don't have to pay any charges for it. So it is absolutely free for you. So I have provided the link of this website. So watch the video till the very end to understand about this website. So now this is the Faucet Pay. If you haven't registered here, so simply you have to check out this link faucetpay.io or simply search Faucet Pay on Google. So you will get this link on top and simply register there just by using your email, username and password. So after that, let's start the video. Simply you have to click on this login button. Okay, here is the login button, and the email that you have used to register on the Faucet Pay, use it here. Don't use another email because you will lose your fund. So I have used my email, as you can see. So simply I will click on the start mining button. So I have mined this much amount of currency, 0.000255524. Okay, and the mining is currently going on, and my daily profit is 0.001 USDT for absolutely free. I haven't deposited any, and live hash power is 50 mAh per second. So it is huge, guys. Simply you can use this and you can earn a lot. Okay, so yeah, simply you can withdraw it from here and you can simply deposit. If you want to increase your revenue, you can increase from there. So if you want to deposit, simply you can click on this speed mining, add speed mining button, and you can simply increase your revenue. So now I will withdraw this. Okay, so let me withdraw this. Yeah, maximum amount I can withdraw this 0.0002519 USDT from this site. So let me show you my Faucet Pay. So here you can see my last claim was freeclaimpoints.io, which I got 0.0000032 BNB. Now I will claim in front of you. Okay, so I will click on this withdraw button. Okay, let me first refresh this page again, and I will now click on this withdraw button. So I will copy this amount. Okay, 0.000256 USDT. So now I will click on this confirm request button. Simply you have to click this only, and simply you can claim your request. Okay, so this is the confirm request button. Simply click on it. So in front of you, yeah, amount must not be bigger than. Okay, so let me withdraw this much amount. I will click on this confirm, and your withdrawal request is processed. You will soon receive it in your wallet. Now I will show you in my Faucet Pay wallet. Let me open it. So boom, guys, I have earned 0.00025 USDT in front of you very easily. So now you can also earn like this. And if you want to increase your revenue on this site, so simply click on, you can check your deposit here and click on this account button and click on this deposit button. So you can simply check out. Okay, total USDT, if you want any MHS, okay, mAh per second, so you can simply enter the amount. So minimum is 1500. Okay, for 1500 you just have to pay 1.5 USDT. And yeah, let me show you. If you are investing like 9000 USD, 9000, okay, mAh, okay, 9 USDT, then you can get 9000 megahertz per second. So this is the hash power, guys. Simply you can use it, or you can simply remain on the free plan to earn a lot. And you can see many people are withdrawing from here, and many people also are depositing here. So simply you can check out this, and simply you have to add speed mining and click on this buy now button. After here, you will reach at your Faucet Pay account. Okay, and simply you have to click on this USDT button, and simply I will click on this proceed to payment. Your payment has been initiated and complete payment. Okay, your purchase has been completely successfully. You may, okay, I will now receive, guys, 0.1810000 USDT as my daily profit. So you can see my mining is going on, and there is no minimum withdrawal on this site. You can simply withdraw any of the amount very easily, and there is no limit on this website to earn. So this is the site, guys, and I have provided the link of this description, and it is very genuine and trusted website, guys, because it is listed on Faucet Pay, so it has high chances of getting money. Okay, so this is the site, and you can see in my deposit history, yeah, I have deposited this, and in my withdrawals, okay, I will show you that I have got 2 withdrawals on this site. The minimum was 244, okay, Satoshi of USDT, and this is 0.00025 USDT on this site. and simply you can earn a lot from this site just by using your referrals. You will get 10% deposit amount of your friends. If they deposit some amount, you will get 10% of it. So it is a lot, guys. Simply you can check out this, and you just have to click on this link and you can copy it from here. Okay, let me copy it, and if I share this link with you guys and you deposit it, so I will receive 10% of your deposit amount. So this was the site, and hope you like the video. And if you like the video, press the like button, guys. Hit the subscribe button now. I will see you in the next video.